Yes, hi, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are and what time is in your area of living. So my name is Najla and I am professor for supply chain management in Green Method. So I attended this conference in 15th of April here in Berlin, and it was a great experience for me, meeting people from all around the world, from Mexico, from Turkey, from Brussels, from France, from Cameroon, from so many different countries. And it's the beauty of this kind of conferences. Besides, we are learning so many things from the field of applied sciences. We are meeting different people from different backgrounds, and we can networking and discussing and making very good network and friends all around the world within 2 days. So thank you so much for all this collaboration and for this arrangement you all did here. I'm really glad to be part of this conference, and congratulations to you all. You did great job, and thanks a lot, and hope to see you all soon again somewhere in this world. Thank you.